IONIQ information.
This is just a short update video. I'm about to set off on a longish journey in my Hyundai IONIQ Electric, where I'll need the Ecotricity rapid chargers based at the UK motorway services. So as I've made a video about previously, the IONIQ Electric in the UK has the CCS standard, which means you need the CCS plugs from these DBT units that Ecotricity has, and there are issues in the UK at the moment with either there aren't enough of these, or you get there and they're not working, or someone else is using the CHAdeMO side of the unit and so on. So I'm thinking about, these units and how many of them they are and how reliable they are. And then surprisingly, as one of the many emails about the change in data protection regulations in Europe I've been getting, I actually noticed one was from Ecotricity, and I was quite surprised that it had the following wording in it. So I'll read it out now. So the email says that Ecotricity have got pretty big plans for the year ahead. So it mentions a few things like the first green gas mills in Britain and so on. But then it also has this interesting passage, which I've highlighted here. We'll be rolling out a new generation of high-powered advanced electric vehicle chargers for the electric highway, our national network of EV pumps. So this is actually the first I've heard of this. A lot of people, I think, have been quite open in their criticism of the way that the Ecotricity network in particular, it was great that it was there early and it was expanded, but then it hasn't really been, kept up to date, and it necessarily isn't that well maintained, and a lot of people have issues with it, with its reliability, with the availability and so on. So I hadn't heard any mention of their plans of what they were doing, nothing on their website, nothing in emails previously. So this was quite an interesting find, so I thought I'd share that. If you know anything more about what exactly these kind of high-powered advanced chargers are going to be, do let me know in the comments, and if you come across anyone else who's managed to get any information from Ecotricity, let me know. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye now.